What's the very first program that comes to mind when you think about photo editing? I'm sure a good portion of you went straight to Adobe Photoshop. In this video, we're going to highlight our list of Envato Element's top 10 best Photoshop actions for 2020. Creating amazing content has never been so easy. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the compilation ahead of you. All items featured today are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Double Exposure Action by Beto Alanis. Double exposure is such a creative effect that when used correctly can transform the very heart and soul of an image. This action can be combined with any other actions as it doesn't modify the color of the photos used. Number 9. Rain Photoshop Action by MEF. Melancholic, excitable, frantic, calm. Rain can bring out an array of emotions in people. Let those emotions pour out of your images with this realistic rain action. You can even take control and choose the angle that the rain sweeps across the photo. Number 8. Magic Photoshop Action by Chloe Gabriel. Abracadabra your own enchanting images with the number 8 Photoshop action on our list. Perfect for photographers in the cosplay scene or for marketing magically imbued video games. Simply wave your magic wand to brush over the image where you want the effect to take hold, and voila! Number 7. Dispersion Photoshop Action by 7 Styles. High impact and low effort. This action is the perfect tool for editors in the sporting, dance, or entertainment industries. Incorporating an eye-catching, stimulating effect into your images has never been easier. Number 6. Space Action by Freezeron Media. The number 6 action on our list is utterly out of this world. Create backgrounds, textures, shapes, and images that will propel your viewers through the galaxy to infinity and beyond. Save hours of work by utilizing this simple Photoshop action. Before we reveal the next installments on this list of Envato Element's top 10 best Photoshop actions for 2020, this is just a quick reminder to like and subscribe to our channel if you're enjoying this video so far. Now back to it. Number 5. Pencil Sketch Photoshop Action by AB Designer. Transform your photos into stunning works of art with our number 5 Photoshop action for 2020. Attain a mesmerizing final effect with a focus on pencil hatch, drawing, and sketching. With fully editable layers, colors, and elements, you no longer need a pencil to create a masterpiece. Number 4. GIF Animated Luminance Photoshop Action by Srita. This game-changing animated action exudes an indescribably luminescent effect, similar to that of a jellyfish floating through the ocean. A video tutorial with a focus on setting up the file and various customization techniques will allow you to master this feature in no time at all. Number 3. Gold Effect Photoshop Actions by Creative Tacos. This gleaming collection of Photoshop actions holds the key to unlocking vibrancy and brilliance within your images. Compatibility with both Mac and PC, along with non-destructive effects, means it's the perfect match for any editor. Number 2. Radiant Photoshop Action by iHimalaya. Shimmering, glittering energy produces an air of suspense and radiance when this Photoshop action is coupled with an image. Create the daring effect you need to showcase your products, your people, and your services with this easy-to-use action. Number 1. Grass Photoshop Action by Sco4. Here we have our number 1 Photoshop action for 2020. Plant your best foot forward with this luscious action pack that includes grassy textures from every season. Become the tallest tree in the forest by incorporating this action into your business's logo or text. Your competitors will be green with envy. What did you think of our Envato Elements top 10 best Photoshop actions for 2020? Did we choose the right actions for our top 3? Let us know in the comments. If you wouldn't mind, we love it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'd really like to see you keep watching videos just like this. Oh, and make sure you check out the next video. It's been chosen just for you. You can access all the Photoshop actions in this list by subscribing to Envato Elements. What are you waiting for? Get out there and put your Photoshop skills to use with a little help from Envato.